All right, you guys, so today we finally did it. I added the ceramic coat on the forward edge here. So, just a quick review on this stuff here and a couple of tips what to do as I just completed this. So number one, as you can see, take off your license plate in the back, right? Behind your license plate, tons of dirt and dust and stuff. So yeah, that's one of the things that you want to make sure to do. Before adding this, of course, I compounded the car, added some compound, buffed it out, clay bar, the whole bull of wax, man. So, make sure you do a pretty good, clean detail of your car before adding this stuff, because it is a sealant. So whatever's on your car, you're going to seal it in. So yeah, you can see this stuff is just incredibly shiny, man. It's amazing. So I've done the whole car, 2 coats. So this bottle here, what is this? Believe this is the 30 mil that I got. Yep, 30 mil. So it's a 30 mil. Got this off of Amazon. 2 coats for the entire SUV, and I still have a little bit left. There's still like an eighth of a bottle left. So you can do minimum 2 coats for the whole car. If you have a sedan or smaller car, you can probably do 3 coats. So yeah, man, this stuff is off the hook. Super shiny, and it gives it a little more of a deeper color than what your paint is. You can tell the difference. So yeah, just a quick review. Didn't want to do the whole how to polish your car and all that stuff, right? Tons of videos out there. Just a quick review of this ceramic CQUK 3.0, and I put it everywhere, on the headlights, on the bottom here. I just didn't do the rims because I'm going to paint the rims, so no need to paint the rims. I did the grill. So yeah, you can apply it everywhere, man. I even put it here on this door panels there, the black plasticky covers. The top here, I didn't do the glass top. I just did basically all the paint and all the plastics. I didn't do the trims. Got some other stuff for that. That'll be a separate video. But yeah, this stuff is great, man. Protect your car. Looks amazing. Super shiny. Nice high gloss. Ready to go, man. All right. So yeah, I'll leave it in the description below. Man, I totally recommend this stuff. You can see all my trash here. I got a pickup here. My buffer for the compound. So yeah, with that, man, totally recommend this for your car, man. All right, you guys, peace.